Looking for me?
What?
This is really awkward. Wow, this is really I've never this is really I've never thought this is Hi. Okay, I'm done now. What's up, guys? Animist here, and today you see here we have the PlayStation 5 bundle, and we have a bunch of other accessories that help it stand out. I'm really excited. I've been waiting. How long has it been? 1 second. How long has it been? Almost 2 years, like a year and like 8 months or so. I have been waiting every drop to get one of these, and oh my god, let me roll in this chair. I am so happy right now. I don't even know where to begin. Let's do the not so fast, Andrew. First, there are some things that we need to discuss. First off, face reveal! Hi, this is me. I am Andrew. Nice to meet you, aka Animist. I make all the Venge videos, yeah. Jesus Christ, I still can't get used to this camera thing. You guys are probably wondering why I've been gone so long. It's been like 3 years since I posted a video. It's kind of sad saying that out loud. But anyways, the reason I've been gone so long, it's too many things. First off, SHSAT. Oh my Jesus Christ, I had to be studying day and night for that. Every single day. There was no time to make no videos, no time to edit videos. Every single day was SHSAT.
All around me are familiar faces.
Now, after that was Regents, which surprisingly was easier, but still was Regents, which every day and night I had to study for. Then I had to focus on like finishing grades and reports for school. Then graduation, I was tired at the time, okay? I was just chilling like a villain and not thinking about this. Then I was texting Subs the other day, and he was like, dude, I saw one of your videos come up because he subscribed. I mean, all the support we could get, right? And I'm like, I haven't made a video in forever. And I was like, I have to make one. I have to let the people know. Nothing serious. It was just that I had to focus a lot on school, and by the time I got this, it's technically almost over. Literally. I have like 2 more weeks before school start back. And the first month I was in summer camp. Then after that, I went on a trip. We went away. We went to the Caribbean. It was so beautiful. I'll see if I could get pictures for you guys now. I don't know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into this unboxing. I hope you enjoy. Let's go with the headphones. Okay, let me move this to the side with the power of editing. Boom, you see that? You like the powers? Yeah, so awesome. So here is the Pulse 3D wireless headset. Man, I'm really excited for this. I saw these when they released, and I'm like, I have to get these, I have to get these. And my mom was like, no, it makes no sense to get this without the PlayStation. Motherword. So, now I have it. I saved up because put in the work. And now we have them. This is the Pulse 3D wireless headset. On the front, you could see a side view of the headphones, the PlayStation logo and brand. Now on the side here, I have to make sure I show you. It says, fine-tuned for 3D audio on the PS5 console. Surround yourself in 3D soundscapes where you can sense sounds above, below, and all around you. Which, yeah, apparently this headphone has surround sound audio. There we go. And that's one of the features I was really excited about. Also, apparently on the other side, it says that it's compatible with the PlayStation 4, the PlayStation VR, which I've never actually... Use your words, Andrew. No, but in all seriousness, the file for the recording got, like, corrupted or something, so it just canceled out nothing. So the whole half of the PS5 unboxing, half of the headphones, the whole headphones unboxing, was cut off, and I'm really sorry about that. And I feel like I've said this once again before, but I'm really sorry. I think you guys have had enough of my face for a little bit, so let's show you what's inside. This is a nice little opening. If you take this out, it has like the manuals. Yeah, the manual, the features that each of the buttons do. Ooh, I see it. But we gotta wait. Yeah, the manual, as I just said. Then some more safety tips. Then we have this thing, which looks like I just went to KFC in the Caribbean. Am I doing this? I hope I'm doing this right. I guess you just open this. It comes with, oop, the USB adapter just fell out. So it comes with this. Let's put this to the side. It also comes with the USB Type-C charger for the headphones, I'm assuming. And last but not least, in this box is the aux cord. Again, Andrew, use your words. Okay, so basically, we unboxed the headphones. This is the headphones. My opinion on it is that it felt really nice. You could see that unlike other headphones, they have a rubber band strap instead of a wool one. The ear cups could fit your ears completely. They felt really comfortable when I put them on. Now, for the buttons, we have the power button, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, the Type-C charging port, mute button, volume button, monitoring button so you could hear how loud you're talking, then chat and game. So next we unboxed the PlayStation 5, which it came in that very nice box I showed you guys in the beginning. Then we took that out. It was a box inside of a box. We made a couple jokes, Now, first thing, when you open it, you get the manual and other things. But yeah, it's pretty much the manual. Then we have the 4K HDMI cord, the power cord, and a charging cord for the PlayStation controller. Speaking of which, this is the controller, which has a beautiful, lovely color when you turn it on. I was telling you guys a story about how I went to a birthday party and I was able to touch it, but I couldn't play because someone was playing a game that I will be showing you guys soon. And it felt really nice because because bigger was better, and it just had a really nice feel. It was bigger than the PlayStation 4 controller, and yeah, I showed you guys the charging cord, the power cord, and the mute button, and then the charging dock port, which was pretty nice. And here is the wonderful and amazing PlayStation 5. Oh my lord, this is it. This thing is a beastly, manly, lovable... Oh my god, there's too many words that I'm just making up because I've been waiting for this for 2 years. Oh my Jesus Christ. The back looks like a spaceship. A whole rocket ship here. Now, in the bottom there, you can see that there is the power cord, the HDMI cord, the Ethernet cord, which is for wired internet, and then 2 USB cords. Now, on the front cord, 1 USB port, 1 Type-C port, the eject and power button. Some details that I'd like to note about the PlayStation 5 is that, zoom in closely enough, you could actually see that there's engravings of, let me see if the camera would focus. There's engravings of PlayStation 5 not PlayStation 5, of the controller button. So square, circle, X, and I think I literally named all of them. And that's pretty much the PlayStation 5. Let's move on to the last. Okay, last important thing, because I don't think you want to see me unbox another controller. I already gave my thoughts on that. I thought it was really nice. The triggers and everything felt amazing. And now we have the DualSense charging station for 2 controllers, which would be good for when sub comes over sometime, and maybe you might get some content of some games. Leave a link, comment down below what games you want, because honestly, it's literally only 2 I've wanted to play, which is what I found that I forgot to record, the Horizon Zero Dawn, Horizon Forbidden West game, which here, if any of you guys want the code, psych, I lied. Y'all can't see that. Y'all will never be able to see that. Now we have the charging station, so let's just get this open. I found my tool, my handy dandy tool, which was helping me open this, which came in clutch for the PlayStation 5. I think this is like the only actual unboxing part that you guys will be getting, because that was really sad how it just ended. So here we have a manual. Yeah, just a manual. We don't need explanations for that. We have the charging port, which seems to be just half of it. Yeah, there's a second half here. I guess for, imagine if you lost your PlayStation cable and you're like, man, I need another one. So maybe it looks the same almost. Let's just put that off to the side and let's see the beauty of the charging port. Bam, there we go. And it's literally just a copy of the PlayStation 5. It's like, it's child. Look at this, look at this. It has the logo right there, then 2 ports. And then I see where, oh, the sticker got me. I see where it needs to be plugged in using this, which we'll do all of that in the end. Pretty much it, so montage. It's gaming time! After I clean down this whole desk, of course, who you think you are? If my mom come up in here, she gonna hit me one slap across the behind. After me trying to get the other controller to charge, I'm finally ready to turn this bad boy on. I'm not ready for the headphones just as yet, but I'm ready for the awesome visuals though. I don't know what to expect. Oh, it's time! Oh my god! I really wish I had my speakers connected right now, because I would love to. Oh my Jesus Christ. The controller's turning orange currently. So as we wait for this setup process that took about 5 to 10 minutes, this is a good time for you guys to subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video so far. Let me know in the comments what game do you want me to play, and as you can see, I'm ready to play that game. I already started recording it by the time this video is posted. And let me just know, I hope you guys are having a great day, and peace. Ladies and gentlemen, we finally have the PlayStation 5 set up. First of all, I have to say, all of y'all, when you get your PlayStation 5, don't sleep on Astro's Playroom. This game was so much fun. As you can see, it's running from Black Spider-Man. No racial. And yeah, I'm gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, make sure to slap that like button, subscribe if you're new, and if you want more videos like this, leave it in the comments, let me know. And until next time, peace.